is widely containing students' creative ideas which are compiled comprehensively based on data, analysis, and any relevant conclusions. According to Broto Wijoyo, a scientific work is a scientific essay that presents facts and is written according to a good and correct writing methodology. Types of scientific work. A. Paper. A paper is a scientific written work that presents problem and discussion based on data in a file or library that is empirical and objective. B. Working paper. Working paper is a scientific written work that is more in-depth than a paper by presenting data in a file or library that is empirical and objective. Papers are often written to be present in research activities and not to be excused, wherever the papers are written to be present in seminars or workshops. C. Work practice report. A work practice report is a scientific paper that presents data for activities in a file or at the company where we work. This type of scientific work is scientific work with diplomatic level. E. Thesis. A thesis is a scientific paper that expresses the author's opinion based on the opinions of other people. Undergraduate scientific work. The scientific work was written to obtain a bachelor's degree. E. Thesis. Thesis is a scientific paper that reveals new knowledge by testing a given thesis. This thesis is more in-depth than the thesis scientific work as to the scientific work was written to obtain a master's degree. F. Dissertation. Dissertation is a scientific paper that puts forward a new theory or proposition that can be proven based on facts, empirically or theoretically, scientifically. The scientific work was written to obtain a doctorate degree. Characteristics of scientific work. 1. Referring to theory. This means that scientific essays must have a theory used as a basis for thinking, a framework or a range in solving problems. 2. Based on facts. This means that any information within a scientific framework is always, as it is, true and complete. 3. Logical. This means that every information within a scientific framework can always track, investigate for reasons, rational, and acceptable. 4. Subjectiveness. This means that within the scientific framework, all information expressed is never subjective, always factual, and and is not interfered with by personal or group interests. 5. Systematic. Throughout the writing or presentation and discussion, the scientific essays are present chronologically, regularly, chronologically, with applicable procedures and systems, and orderly manner. 6. Valid obligation. This means that the form and content of a scientific essay are valid and correct according to applicable scientific rules. 7. Clear. This means that every page of information in a scientific essay is expressed clearly, plainly, and clearly so that it does not raise questions or doubts in the mind of the reader. 8. The language is standard. Language in a scientific framework must be standard. When it must be in accordance with the language that is used as a standard benchmark for whether language used is correct or not. Benefits of preparation for scientific work. 1. Training to develop effective reading skills. 2. Critic accompanying reading results for various courses. 3. Contribute to library activities. 4. Improve the organization of facts on data quality and systematically. 5. Get the level of satisfaction. Less constantly knowledge. Maybe that's enough. Maybe that's enough to convey regarding the material of scientific work. Wassalamualaikum.
Tidak membuka pertanyaan.